So this is exactly how to fix your Celly headphones not connecting. So the first thing we need to do is to make sure that it's actually put into pairing mode correctly. And you do so by clicking on this button here, click and hold until you will see a blue and red blinking light here. So this is the button here once again. If you're clicking on it and nothing happens, quite often it's because you need to charge the headphones. So make sure to charge them, use a USB-C cable if you have one. The one of the ends needs to go here and the other end can go to, for example, your PC, and then wait a couple of minutes and try once again. So now when it's in pairing mode here, I'm just gonna go into settings here, and you can do so on your PC or on your mobile as an example, it doesn't really matter. And then go into add device here, and then click on Bluetooth, of course. And then it's gonna say flow beat. And I don't know why, but quite often it's gonna recognize it as flow beat and not Celly. So sometimes it says Celly, sometimes it's gonna say flow beat, but just connect to it basically if you see flow beat or something similar to it. And you can see it says connecting here, and sometimes, by the way, I don't know why, but sometimes it's gonna be stuck on connecting a little while, and if it is and it's still not connecting, just restart your PC or mobile. After that, it should fix it for you as well. But you can see now it's connected here for me, and basically that is how I was able to fix this issue.